Hello, welcome to the We Are Searching YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications for Facebook events step by step. First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Click on the icon with three lines under the message icon you see in the upper right. Then tap on Settings button from these different options that appear in front of you. From the options listed under the Preferences title, tap on the Notifications option. Here you see the list of notifications sent from Facebook to your phone. Since we want to turn off the event notifications from Facebook, we tap on the Event option. If you deactivate the Allow Notification on Facebook option, the event notifications that is received from Facebook to your phone will be turned off. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment, and click the bell for new videos.